Welcome to my channel. Hello, I'm Chuku. In this video I'm gonna discuss about the broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable that vaguely resembles a miniature tree. It belongs to the plant species known as Brassica oleracea. It's closely related to cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale and cauliflower, all edible plants collectively referred to as cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli is rich in dietary fiber and amino acids like tryptophan. According to the USDA Food Data Central, it might also consist of vitamin A, beta-carotene, lutein zeaxanthin, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. It may even have essential vitamins such as vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B9, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, and vitamin K. Additionally, it may contain important minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. In terms of unique organic compounds, it might be a rich source of phytonutrient glucosinolates, isothiocyanate, flavonoids like camphorol, and various other antioxidant compounds that positively boost our health. May detoxify the body. The presence of vitamin C, sulfur, and amino acids may make broccoli a good detoxifier. It might help remove free radicals and toxins like uric acid from the body, thereby purifying the blood and keeping away toxin-related problems such as boils, itches, rashes, gout, arthritis, rheumatism, renal calculi, skin diseases like eczema, and hardening of the skin. It may also be an alkaline vegetable and can help balance the body's pH levels. May help with skincare. Broccoli may aid in skincare and give you a glowing, healthy, and radiant appearance. The antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, amino acids, and folate present in it might do this magic. May protect from UV rays. Glucoraphanin, a phytonutrient found in significant amounts in broccoli, may have been connected with reversing the negative effects of sun exposure. May offer relief from stomach disorders. Broccoli may be very rich in fiber or roughage, which may help relieve constipation since that is the root cause of almost all the stomach disorders. Fiber adds to the bulkiness of the food, retains water, and stimulates healthy bowel movements. The magnesium and vitamins present in it may help reduce acidity, facilitate proper digestion, and aid in the absorption of nutrients from the other foods. It might also soothe the stomach by reducing inflammation. It is recommended that those who suffer from irritable bowel disease, Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, as well as diverticulitis, may avoid roughage as this can cause flare-ups. May prevent heart disease. Along with the antioxidant glucoraphanin, the high fiber content in broccoli might help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol levels and keep the heart functioning properly. Also, reducing bile has a strong impact on cholesterol levels, thereby helping your heart health. Studies have shown that the fiber combines better with bile, making it much easier and efficient to excrete. Camphorol is a flavonoid that may also aid in keeping the heart healthy owing to its anti-inflammatory properties. May aid in eye care. Carotenoids like zeaxanthin, beta-carotene, and phosphorus, and other vitamins such as vitamin A, B complex, C, and A found in broccoli may be very good for ocular health. These substances can be used to protect eyes against macular degeneration and cataracts, while also repairing the damage caused by radiation. May lower risks of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. A Harvard Medical Research paper suggests that broccoli may be rich in beta-carotene, which when consumed causes nearly a 25% less risk of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. Plus, it may contain omega-3 fatty acids, which also might help in preventing ALS. Recent research suggests that intake of diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids may reduce or delay the onset of Lou Gehrig's disease. May boost immunity. Broccoli may derive its purple and green color from antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, selenium, copper, choline, zinc, and phosphorus. These compounds present may be really great immune system boosters, and they might protect you from numerous infections. In addition to eating a balanced diet, it is encouraged to get adequate sleep and manage stress to see the best results. May improve bone and teeth health. Broccoli may keep the bones and teeth strong as it is rich in vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus. Eating the vegetable can be very beneficial, particularly for children, elderly people, and/or pregnant or lactating women. Children and older adults may be very prone to osteoporosis, weakening of bones and teeth, and calcium deficiency. Moreover, vitamin K is essential for the formation of osteocalcin, which is a protein only found in bones. Thank you viewer for watching this video. See you again in the next video with a new health tips.